Alright guys, so you have a 3/8 impact wrench and you go to use it and you go to pull the trigger and the socket just flies off and goes into the abyss and you never find it again, and it's probably that 10 millimeter. So that's how most of those 10 millimeters get lost, is this right here. The anvil has a little C-clip that becomes missing 9 times out of 10. There's an O-ring and a C-clip, and I'm going to show y'all quickly and easily how to replace that. You can order those clips from just about any place, but this I got off of Amazon from Tool Guy Republic. As you can tell, there's the part number TG, let's see, I can't read it upside down, TGR 1038. This is for the 3/8. They also sell a 1/2 inch one. It comes with the tool, that square block, the clip, the C-ring rather, and then an O-ring. And the kit comes with several replacements. The first thing you want to do, however, is you need to remove the old one if it's bent or dilapidated. But what we're going to do, we're going to install the new O-ring. The next step is we're going to get our installation tool. One side is going to have the bigger slot for the 1/2 inch, and then the other side is going to have the smaller for the 3/8. Go ahead and take the new C-clip. We're going to put it right down in the installation tool, and it should look something like that. What I like to do is I like to get the open end of the C-ring away from where you're going to work, because it's going to open up. So let's try to zoom in here, and I'm going to try to do this for y'all and show y'all how to put this ring on. So when you get everything ready to go, put your notch away from where you're wanting to work. Insert your tool. It says in the instructions at a 45-degree angle, push down and rotate up vertical as you're pushing down. And it installs the clip for you like a glove. Hope that helped, and if that did, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Man, y'all are just so wonderful, making my channel grow like y'all do. I couldn't do it without y'all. So what I need y'all to do, I'm going to be doing a 50,000 subscriber giveaway, and we're going to be giving away some tools and an Amazon gift card and just all kinds of neat stuff. Maybe a shirt, hat, mug, drink you some coffee out of. But yeah, as soon as I get about 45,000 subscribers, I'm going to start getting some stuff in. So y'all, please tell everybody about the Moremedic One and tell them to come on over and visit my channel and subscribe. Share this video, share all my old videos. If they that's how you can help me. I don't even charge to fix lawnmowers. Y'all pay for that. That's y'all do that for me, and it just feels good to be able to help somebody out. Anyway, y'all have a good weekend, and we'll see you on the next video. Moremedic One. Have a great day.